The AVarice shirt, custom. Sandblasting the Model 5s today, the fucking Shark 5s. They were originally chrome. Some retard in Japan painted them black, and then it's peeling off, and it's peeling the chrome with it.
So you get it down to nothing, spray it.
Are we gonna like sand brush the barrels, but just not as hard as the face?
Well, you can kind of see, if you look up close, there's a kind of line where the finish ends. I was just gonna go up to that line right here.
Okay, and then we'll just scuff it with sandpaper or something on the inside of the barrel, or what?
I don't need to do that. I don't even spray the barrel.
Alright.
Just gonna spray it up to that line.
Alright.
Popping the stems out, get a clean finish on that edge right there. This one's not getting as nice.
Boom. Are they both out now?
Yep.
Time to sandblast.
Like this part? Let's show this. Let's show this for the video.
1 second, folks.
So, we're getting it down to the base layer, which is this like greenish, but there's multiple layers right now because it's got the chrome that came on it, and then the shit's black spray paint. The spray paint and everything that's already peeled up is coming off pretty easy, but like the chrome right here is kind of being a little tough to get up.
But you can see how like the majority of the face of the spokes right now, that's the color we're going for. And then like over here, once we dust that sand off, that'll be pretty much done except for this section down here. But from that compared to that, you know, that's a pretty big difference. Holy shit, ladies and gentlemen.
I didn't blow it off. This is all still just sand on it, but that's good. It's green.
Green machine rims. Here, pull that sucker out, man.
Oh!
Oh yeah.
Para.
Yes.
A little bit of AVarice lore while Cooper is sandblasting that last wheel. This is my old 2JZ GE head off my IS300 that popped a few years ago. I used to have an IS300 before the G35. Two of the exhaust valves on cylinder 6 kissed piston, and this head was no good no more. And we had to rebuild it. That was a whole process. Just some backstory, some shit we've done in the past. Now Cooper and Gentry are turning this head into a decorative table. I don't know, I don't give a shit. I don't have a use for this anymore, so they can have it.
We should have done the fucking YouTube snap again. We should have done the YouTube snap where we snap and then fucking transforming these.
Yeah.
They turned out pretty good for getting them all set up ready for paint.
Primer, and I got silver on.
Silver clear done.
You ready to start painting? The fan set up, cardboard set down, ready to go. I'm excited. Cooper's excited. Nice and tight.
So, what color silver is it? Let me tell you
No, it's clear coat. Porsche Arctic Silver Metallic.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Off of Amazon.
And that's the 2-stage shit where you gotta puncture it on
This
the bottom?
isn't it. This isn't it.
Okay.
I just got the cheap shit this time.
Jordan, I think, what brand paint did Jordan use? Was he on like the duplicate color?
Yeah,
I
he's
think
on
so.
AutoZone shit.
So
Yeah.
he's on the AutoZone stuff, and that still lasted for so long.
That stuff's still doing
stuff's
good.
held up.
He did respray it though. He did respray it.
These
He
are my spare
resprayed it.
fronts. I don't give a shit.
Yeah, so this is a viable option because we've seen it been used before and it actually works. I'm so excited to see a Porsche fucking color on an AVS Model 5. That's crazy.
I don't like that spray. Shake it more.
But I gotta like get some of this coffee grind out.
Just put it in the coffee. It smells like ass. I don't know how he drinks that shit. That takes to burn up the whole list. This is nuts.
This is what it takes.
First coat on.
Just put a primer. I got it. That case shit right here. Especially around the lip.
I was gonna talk about masking these off. It doesn't matter.
Center cap covers that.
How we looking, Tyson? How's it going, man?
Primer's on and dry. About to lay the first coat of color. Porsche silver. Show what you're on right now.
I'm on the bike.
Don't whip that around,
I'm on
please.
the bike. Hold on. Is it no, you don't have a GoPro mount on here anymore.
Damn.
Hold on. I gotta turn the light on. The light. How's it going? I'm about to go far as fuck. I know this footage is gonna be shaky too. I'm about to pull that back up on these losers. What's up, dude? I took them all around the fucking parking lot. And we're back.
I don't know what this color looks like on an actual Porsche. I'll throw a picture up on screen.
That's a very glossy silver.
Yeah, it is.
I like it.
That's a completely different wheel.
So
all
I-
things considered.
I own all of the colors except for silver. Because I have the gunmetal and bronze as the 10J ones, and then these were originally chrome. The only color I don't have is silver. I thought they were silver when I bought them. It was kind of a surprise that they were chrome, but they were shit.
But now they're good again. Now that is
That's
the
two
Model
coats.
5. That is a Model 5 right there. That's how they're supposed to look. Clean.
Painting complete. Clear coat's on. Looks pretty good. Just cheap paint. I got these wheels for cheap on Yahoo Auctions, Japan. Like 150 bucks each. Shipped them over. You guys saw they were before this now. Are you gonna buy these or what, man?
Huh?
Huh?
Huh? What you say?
You gonna buy these or what?
Most likely. We just gotta find another set of 19x9s.
I can find another pair.
And then I'll be good. And I'll probably end up painting the same color.
Are we in the same color or just get them all powder coated or chromed or something?
Something like that. Chrome would be kind of nuts. Triple chrome, a full set of triple chrome. Be crazy.
Tomorrow or Wednesday or something, we could line these up with your car and test them or something. Get some pictures. See what this silver looks like on your car?
Yeah. I feel like it'd go pretty well. Because it's not the same silver. It's a little less
It'll
glossy.
offset it nicely. I don't have the caps for these, just my big ones. And one of those is cracked.
Don't worry about that shit. Don't worry about that shit later.
I could get some caps. I don't know if I want to though, because I might get rid of these.
Yeah. Because then I would just sell my wheels with tires for like $500. I do whatever I want.